Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2017 Toyota Tundra.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine.
And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain.
Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, and cruise control. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.